Hey everyone, Kathy Jackson here, transformational coach and healer. And I just wanted to come on and share a few thoughts with you today on my experience currently. So I've noticed that as I'm releasing deeper and deeper energies in the root chakra and going deeper into transformation, that it's really mirroring the outer world and what we see happening in government structures. So I know you've probably heard the saying, as within, so without. So I'm just noticing a few parallels here. So as I'm releasing some deep wounding and trauma from the toxic masculinity and narcissistic abuse, codependency, all of those things are very disempowering, and they have removed you from your authentic, sovereign nature. So we see this playing out in the world because we are actually living in the matrix, and the matrix is a control program. And we may not recognize how much it has controlled our lives, our thinking, our beliefs. It is the structures that we see are all geared towards control. So as we are dismantling and unraveling this control matrix, we are moving more into a decentralized government. In other words, New Earth is based on governance of the self, and so more local governance rather than a big brother overall, government structure. So these narcissistic, manipulative, dominating structures are being dismantled, broken down. And a lot of this is, this is setting the stage for the new to come in, for us to begin to take on our own sovereignty, our own power. And this is all required to create heaven on earth, basically. And getting away from the toxic masculine. Now, the narcissistic program is a very real program, and you can see it in the government. It's so crazy. I was listening to a video where it was describing, what's been going on, and it's just like, oh, it sounds like a typical narcissist, right? So as we're purging these things from the body, our anger, our grief, resentment, betrayal, purging this from, at least this is my experience currently, is purging it from the emotional body. The more that we do this, the more we're going to see it in the outer world. So as within, so without. And I have been on a journey of deep transformation, and there's a lot of layers to uncover for sure. And it all plays into our own sovereign self-empowerment. Whenever we give our power away to someone or something or a government outside of ourselves, we are not in our full alignment with our power. So in order to reclaim that power, we need to take it back from those outside sources, whether it be a person or a president or a religious leader or anybody who's in authority, right? So decentralizing government, decentralizing relationships, like if you are putting anyone above your own knowing, if you are putting anyone that is making them like the central figure in your life, like they are going to tell you what to believe or, the truth, you are disempowering yourself because you have all the um, knowledge and all the wisdom inside of you if you are truly connected to source. So the more we can uncover and release these layers of density, of trauma, of limiting beliefs, of um, abuse, of ancestral patterning, all of those things, the more that we do that, the more we can embody our true divine self. So I think I'm going to leave it there because that's kind of a lot. I hope I expressed it well. It was kind of challenging, even though I had it all clear in my head. I'm like, how do I say this? Anyways, I hope that I hope that you enjoyed this message, and I will be bringing you more as time goes on. You have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.